Sangria isn't just a party drink, it's a taste of history. It started thousands of years ago when people mixed wine with fruits and spices. Back then, water wasn't always safe, so wine was the main drink. Spices and fruit made it taste better and helped it last. Not exactly today's sangria, but it was the start. People shared spiced wine, a way to be social. These drink-making ways traveled, changing with each group. Each period added something, passing down the recipe. Sangria's history is deep. It's not just wine and fruit. It's a tradition, a drink with a story from the first people. Knowing its roots makes each glass special. Cool, right? History in your hand. Next sip, think how old it is. A tradition through empires, years, a taste of the past, still here. That's sangria, more than a drink, a link to history. Cheers. The Romans loved wine, planting grapevines everywhere, even in Spain. The land was great for grapes, and Roman ways stuck around. They had hippocras, wine with spices, sometimes sweet, often warm. Romans mixed wine with honey, spices, and herbs. This mixing became part of Spanish culture. Over centuries, new things were added by groups like the Visigoths and Moors, each leaving their touch. Adding flavor to wine stuck around, changing with each era. From Roman hippocras to something truly Spanish, the idea was the same. Start with wine, then add flavor. Each group made it more fun and tasty. This set the stage for sangria. The sangria we drink today came from hundreds of years of changes. Every sip is a taste of history. It's amazing how it went from Roman times to now. Every glass links us to the past, celebrating old ways and new ideas. Sangria is more than a drink. It's a living piece of history. The flavors tell a story of cultures sharing ideas, continuing with every glass. Sangria is Spain's history, served cold. Enjoy this tradition. Salud. So where does the name sangria come from? It comes from the Spanish word sangre, which means blood. The name is all about the drink's deep, rich, red color. Historians believe the name sangria became popular around the 1700s or 1800s as the drink became more defined. Before then, regions had different names and variations. Sangria stuck because of its amazing color. That link to sangre is strong. It's a nod to the passion and spirit of Spain. The real heart of sangria is that beautiful red color. Think of that bright, lively color, bold, beautiful, and unforgettable. That's sangria. Spanish summers are famous. The sun blazes high, painting the sky a brilliant blue. The air shimmers with heat, cicadas buzzing in the background and laughter echoing from every corner. They're hot, long, and just perfect for enjoying life. In plazas and on terraces, the clink of glasses mixes with the strum of guitars and the distant beat of festival drums. And what's better on a hot day than a cool glass of sangria? Picture a pitcher of sangria, ruby red, packed with slices of orange, lemon, and apple, ice cubes swirling as it's poured into colorful glasses. It's the summer drink, almost something people have every day. On the beach, families gather under striped umbrellas, sharing jugs of sangria as the waves crash and children play in the sand. Imagine sitting on a sunny terrace, people laughing and a big pitcher of sangria on the table. In the evenings, the golden light glows on bustling plazas, where friends toast with sangria as local musicians play and dancers twirl in the warm air. Ice clinking in the glass, colorful fruit. It's just pure happiness. Every region has its twist. Some add peaches, others berries, or even a splash of sparkling cava for a festive fizz. Sangria is meant to be shared, perfect for those lazy afternoons with friends and family. At summer festivals, long tables fill the streets, everyone passing pitchers and plates of tapas. The air alive with music and the scent of grilled seafood. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about the whole experience. Some say the best sangria is homemade, with each family guarding their secret recipe, maybe a hint of cinnamon, a dash of brandy, or a favorite local fruit. Sangria brings people together. It really shows the Spanish way of life. Whether at a picnic in the countryside, a rooftop party in the city, or a quiet patio at home, sangria is always at the center of the table, inviting everyone to relax and enjoy. Whether it's a fiesta or just a regular weekend, a pitcher of sangria means good times are here. The first sip is always the best, cold, sweet, a little tart, bursting with the flavors of summer fruit and Spanish wine. When it's super hot, sangria is almost a must-have. It's light, fruity, and nice and cold. It's easy to drink, not too strong, so it's perfect for sipping slowly. Sangria really captures that relaxed, happy spirit of Spain. It's like a taste of summer, no matter where you are. Every glass is a celebration of sunshine and being together. You can see how different Spain is just by looking at its sangria. Every part of Spain has its own special way of making it. There's not just one recipe. Down in Andalusia, they might add extra spices like cinnamon or cloves. In Catalonia, they often use cava to make a bubbly version called Sangría de Cava. Each place uses its own local wines, fruits, and sometimes even a bit of local liquor. Peaches, berries, apples, oranges, whatever fruit is fresh and in season. Some people add a splash of a local liqueur or brandy. It's all about being proud of where you're from and being creative. Traveling around Spain is like a sangria adventure. Every town has a new flavor to try. Every recipe tells you something about what people in that area like and their traditions. All these different kinds keep sangria exciting and new. It's a yummy way to explore all the different parts of Spain. Each glass gives you a taste of a different little corner of the country. Those little extra touches make all the difference. Sangria is a journey of flavor, not just something to drink. It's about finding new things and enjoying them. Gap 2S. That's what makes it so special. People proud of their region, local ingredients, and tons of creativity. A real taste of Spain in every glass. Cheers to all the different kinds. Sangria didn't stay a secret in Spain for very long. Tourists came, fell in love with it, and took the idea back home with them. And that's how it started traveling around the world, from Spanish cafes to parties everywhere. A really big moment was at the 1964 New York World's Fair. Sangria was there, and Americans loved it. All of a sudden, it was super trendy. It was like a symbol of Spanish sunshine and good times. It got super popular and started showing up in restaurants and homes all over the world. People make it for barbecues, summer get-togethers, and all kinds of celebrations. It's easy to make a lot of it at once. Everyone loves it. Sangria is just so cheerful. It makes everyone smile and have a good time. It's become the drink everyone wants at a party, bringing that sunny Spanish feeling with it. Even if it's a cloudy day, one sip and it feels like you're on holiday. No wonder the whole world loved it so much. Sangria just makes you think of sunshine, relaxing and being happy. It's a drink that brings people together no matter where they are. It's a lovely reminder of good times and traveling. That's the magic of sangria. It's more than just a drink, it's a celebration. A little bit of Spanish sunshine shared with the whole world. Salud! As sangria got more famous, people started talking about what makes real sangria. In Europe, there's a rule only sangria made in Spain or Portugal can actually be called sangria. Others have to say it's sangria style. This is to protect the tradition and where it comes from. But at the same time, people are getting super creative with it, especially in America, where they try all sorts of things. Some people who like things traditional might not be so sure, but trying new things is what keeps sangria exciting. Even with all the different kinds, sangria is still special. It's a symbol of Spanish happiness and welcoming people. It's more than just wine and fruit. It's about sharing good times together. When you offer someone sangria, you're offering friendship and a warm welcome. It's a tradition of being open and celebrating. Every glass connects us to history and to each other. From way back in ancient Rome to parties today, sangria is still going strong. It's a celebration of the simple good things in life and enjoying the moment. That's why we love it. It tastes like happiness. Sangria is a drink with a lot of heart. And there's a story in every glass you pour. It really shows the best parts of Spanish culture. It's a real celebration of life, laughter, and being together. So next time you raise your glass, remember its long journey. Cheers to sangria, it never gets old, to history, to friendship, and to joy. Salud.